here are the ingredients I will be using to make the broth. Use some celery, fresh parsley. I don't know if it have a taste. It probably don't, but it's gonna get thrown right in that water and start boiling. So 1 onion, shred peppers, a celery salt, and I'm also gonna be using my pot liquor. I have a whole bunch of ingredients in this. One being salt, chili powder, cayenne, onion, garlic, turmeric, just a little few more things. So yeah, I'm gonna use about that, and that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, I have a pot with water. I'm gonna take my celery and wash that off first. I'm not sure if you're supposed to keep the stem, but it's gonna get kept. I'm just gonna break it. I was gonna cut it, but for what? This one gotta look all pretty. I'll break it in half. I'm gonna take my parsley, rinse that off too. I ain't gonna use all of this, just some of it. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna have a taste. Get done with me, it's gonna have a taste, another flavor. When I get done with it, y'all gonna be like, that's parsley? Uh-huh. I know parsley had a flavor to it. It do today. Alright, I'm gonna use some of my chopped peppers. Throw that in there as well. If I had like carrots and other things, potatoes, I really don't know about potatoes, but you probably can use that as well. Even if you boil it, if you want like a thick sauce, because you know potatoes got that starch in there, and you want like a thick broth, probably can use it, but ain't no need. I'm putting my onion. I need to cut this. Don't gotta be pretty on that, and just cut it now. Just want it to release its flavors when I'm cooking it. If you want to leave you can, but like I said, I'm just boiling it. You finna smell good. I'm gonna go ahead and season it. Just put you some in there. Tablespoon and a half. A tablespoon and a half of this celery salt as well. Take this and just push it down. I have my stove on medium high. Just let this boil for a little bit.
A few moments.
Now, why y'all didn't remind me that I had some garlic? I'm gonna use that to put in here too. You see how it's boiling? Alright, some more garlic. Yeah, baby. Put you right in there. There was something I was missing. I'm gonna let that keep boiling. I had to turn that up because it added again when it worked. Then when I turn it up, it want to start spewing everywhere. So I had to turn it back down. But it's on medium high. I'm gonna finish letting it boil, y'all. Okay, this has been boiling about a total of 30 minutes. And you know it's ready because everything is soft, even the onions and everything. And also you can smell it. So I'm gonna turn this off and let the stove off and let it cool down before I strain. I'm gonna strain all of this. It's just gonna be left with the broth. If you want to add more to it, like carrots, different things, even if you want to like use the onions and things like that that's inside of here, you don't have to, well, you know, not the back of it, but you know, you can like save it or blend it up and put it in something. Don't throw that away. Well, I'm probably the months away because I don't need it. Let me turn this off and let it cool down.